This video primarily introduces array operations in CoProcess software. To create an array, select the vector to be arrayed, modify the number of rows and columns, row spacing, and column spacing. After clicking Confirm, duplicate copies are generated in a rectangular distribution. Click Vector Array to activate the array function. Output message: please set the number of rows and columns, row spacing, and column spacing in the parameter panel. The array parameter panel appears on the right side of the software. In the view, select the vectors to be arrayed, multiple selections supported. Right-click and select Confirm or press Enter to confirm the selection set. Set parameters by manually entering row, column count, row spacing, and column spacing. Alternatively, click the buttons next to the parameters to interactively specify values in the view. Click Confirm to submit the array result. The array function supports selecting vectors first, then clicking the Array button to use the selected vectors as array objects and initiate the array operation.